Hi writers, welcome to Opinion Writing Day 2 for remote learning. Yesterday, we thought of a topic for our opinion books. We planned our reasons across our fingers. And after, we sketched our reasons across our pages so we wouldn't forget what we were thinking. Today, we're going to be writing the introduction page for our opinion books. Writers write introduction pages so that their readers can get excited about what they're going to read and also let them know what your opinion is. So the first thing we're going to do today is ask a question to make our readers wonder. This question can start with like, do you, or have you ever? After, we're going to state our opinion by saying, I think. Let's see how this would look in my book about Prospect Park. So the first thing I have to do is ask a question to make my readers wonder. So let me think, what could I say? I can say like, do you like to go to the park? Or do you like Prospect Park? Maybe, have you ever been to Prospect Park? Yeah, I think I'm going to use that one. Have you ever been to Prospect Park? Remember, it's a question, so I need a question mark at the end. Did you see how the first thing I thought was about a question to make my readers wonder? Great. Now the next thing I have to do is state my opinion. So what was my opinion again from yesterday? Oh yeah, I think Prospect Park is the best place to have fun. So now that I said my sentence out loud, I'm going to write it. I think Prospect Park is the best place to have fun. Great. So writers, did you see how the first thing I had to do for my introduction page was ask a question? Have you ever been to Prospect Park? That makes my readers wonder. Then did you see after, the second thing I did was I stated my opinion? I think Prospect Park is the best place to have fun. Now I want you to have a chance in your books. Remember, think about a question you can ask your reader to make them wonder. Write it down. Don't forget your question mark. After, think about your opinion. What did you think? I think, Write it down. Great job, friends. Keep working.